there's going to be three types that we would like to focus on. We have the personal enjoyment use. We have the deployment that might be related to gaming, and then we have the actual operational use, how we can actually integrate that. And when we talk about operational use, we have to look at it in the future as drones in terms of fleet, in terms of geolocation, in terms of thinking of it like just like an airport, right? You have the drone port, which we call a drone hangar, that will be on standby. We will have fleets of drones for ISR, for if there's any kind of requirements for first responders, or if there's a defibrillator drone, a first responder drone that I was just saying, we get to bifurcate that and bring the public with the private side. And so when we go to break this down, we got to look at it that way. We got to look at it saying, look, how many ways can we actually break this rooftop and repurpose it on a worthless roof that's on a strip mall? How do we turn this into a metaverse opportunity to have all the buy-ins from the communities, both in the private sector and the public sector? Because on the public sector, we can actually provide crypto rewards. If you're a datapreneur, you can, somebody might say, hey, we want that defibrillator drone information, or they might say, let's have a first responder drone. There might be an Amber Alert drone. You might have the local news having their own drone hangars on standby. And then you still have the delivery drones. These are different payloads that you put on these drones for its specific use case on what it is that you're going to use the drone for.